What up, everybody? It's the freaking 4th of July today, man. We're gonna go riding some dirt bikes. My brother's gonna let me ride one of his bikes again. Parents just got home. They're gonna pull out the new Razor and go with us. So we're gonna ride up the mountain and around sunset and watch the fireworks from up top. Probably strap a light or something to my helmet or my bike so I can get back down, but it's gonna be sick. Also gonna take a ride in the new Razor as well. That'll be fun. So see you guys in just a little bit when the fucking gets a little bit later. All right, we got about an hour and a half, give or take, till dark. So me and my brother are gonna ride up there, have some fun for a minute before my parents meet us in the Razor to watch the fireworks around 9. So should be sick. The weather cleared up a bit too, so we should be able to watch some pretty good fireworks up there. I got my headlamp. I'm gonna strap it to my helmet and hopefully we can get home, man. But yeah, I'm gonna go meet up with my brother. We'll fucking go ride. Doesn't pop up as easy as mine. Woo!
Are you driving ATVs on city streets?
I thought we always could, growing up and everything.
Yeah, this is the.
You could. But it's been the last 5 years, it's been a hard no.
Yeah, this is the first time I've ever been stopped, to be honest.
Yeah, I didn't know anything changed.
Minority that are jackasses.
Yeah, exactly.
I know you guys you're driving slow down the road, normal, stop, following the traffic laws, right? So if you weren't, I'd just write you guys both tickets.
Yeah, understandable.
Well, that used to be the case. That used to be the way it was forever.
Yeah, I mean, I've been here my whole life,
but the city council and the mayor has got so many complaints about just people being assholes.
Ripping through here.
All right, just
news to me.
Dang, yeah, me too.
So if you guys, I put it in as warning so that we have the conversation. If you're stopped again, they'll see that, yeah, you guys do better.
Okay.
Yeah, totally. Probably should have anyways. You guys were being cool. If you guys continue, you're just about there, and come back, then next time, just realize that. Okay. Okay. Perfect. I'm the only one working today, so. Okay. Or at least right now. So. Yeah. You guys have a good day.
Okay, thank you. You too. He's gonna let us continue on, so that's awesome. And no fine. Boys, we got lucky there. No $300 fine, and he's gonna let us continue on our ride.
You wanna go straight to the shoot?
Yeah. I'm just happy as fuck that car was chill because I got that fat noise on me.
Yeah, you know. Dude, I was like, I'll take the whole stop. Yeah, I got my.
I'm running. she's kind of gnarly.
What? That one?
Yeah, she's kind of gnarly.
That's the one I go up here.
I gotta take my goggles off. I can't see shit.
So I put the clears on, bro.
Oh, that bitch is slick. I ain't got no knobs. I know, this tire's way too bald, bro. You should not have done that. Yeah, I need some knobs, man.
Yeah.
I couldn't even get a run up to the hill, it's so slick.
I know.
I really want to do that one, but I don't know if I can do it without the knobs.
That's the one I always climb.
Is it not too bad?
No, you just gotta hold your speed.
Nice new gear, bro. Looking fresh. Oh, I was looking at the hill, not the trail. Oh, so there is no plateau. That is your run up. Let's back up. Give her hell. Here pretty soon. Man, it's been a long time since I've been on this trail. Woo! Look at that shit. Fucking beautiful. Look at that, boys. Look at that beautiful fucking view, man. God damn, I love riding the mountains so much. Hell yeah, doing good. That's how it's done. Phew! I didn't know you were gonna go for it on that. I would have stopped up there and tried to get a video of you, man.
Two-stroke couldn't quite make it.
Yeah.
I was getting chopped around up there.
This fucker was loose as fuck the whole way up too. Yeah, you can do it, but it's not. You gotta know how to ride.
I've done it about 4 times. This thing was all over the place, and then I had to drop a gear, but I was right next to the fucking like wall.
Yeah.
And I was like, just stay in it. And then I fucking finally popped up over the wall, and it was over, you know.
I'll get your footy from you. Throw it in the vid.
All right.
Killing it. It's not that they're just, yeah, these hills up here are super steep, but it's not that they're steep, it's that they're slick. They're like ice, dude.
Like, this isn't a hard hill, but it's just a lot to carry momentum into it too.
Yep.
Like, I usually like hold most of my speed, but this time I started right here too.
Yeah, that's where I started.
And the two-stroke was just spinning the whole time.
I thought there was gonna be like a turnaround to stop and kind of eye it up, so I stopped right there and kind of backed it up and just launched right here.
Yep, there ain't shit.
Hell yeah. That's pretty fun though.
Yeah, it's sweet. I just, two strokes, not really got the groove.
It was just fun fishtailing it the whole way up. Hopefully it picked it up on the camera.
I got a video of you.
Hell yeah. Thanks, brother.
Yeah.
Nick broke in his new white gear. Got the pants dirty. Sheesh.
I already got dab on my jersey.
Still pretty fly for a white guy.
You know it, bro.
Oh yeah. Right. What's up, boss man? Haha. What's up, my peeps? Hey, man.
I just put my knee down on that hill, bro.
I just climbed that one. I tried this one, but the tire's too bald. I can't make it up that one, but I made it up that one. I fishtailed it the whole way, but she did it. Tire's bald as shit.
That one's okay on the 450. The two strokes him bounced around.
Your ride awaits you.
Hell no, I ain't getting it. I can't even fuck.
She used to ride bikes back in the day.
Straight up.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I did. But it was never that tall.
Our bike's on the
Yeah, man. God, she loves being on the trail, don't you? Look at you, kid. Oh, man, we're getting pulled over and stopped. I'm like, motherfucker. Oh. Fucking, apparently like 5 years ago they changed the ordinance and of all the new assholes coming in here moving and ripping wheelies in those neighborhoods. So now you can't ride your dirt bike. But that's the first time I've heard of it. So he pulled us over, and since we weren't being respectful, you know, following the law, he didn't see us ripping the wheelies like 2 seconds prior, but we pulled up to the stoplight off, you know, respectful, and he was like, since you guys are following the law and you weren't aware, he's like, I'm not gonna give you the ticket and you guys can go finish your ride. I'm the only one on duty tonight, but after tonight, if you get stopped again, you're gonna get in trouble. I was like, well, fucking appreciate the no $300 ticket and letting us finish the ride without having to go back and load up in the truck or taking our bikes. Like, we're searching my bag. Like, I appreciate that. Nice razor, son. Not bad. Hold on, kid. We're gonna follow them up for the sunset. Should be good.
I thought you were going left.
No, I just figured this would be a nice little spot they could pull up.
You completely tricked me out.
Sorry, bro. Yeah, bro.
This road's fucking nice. Yeah.
Yeah, this upper one's always been pretty nice.
Well, I mean, the whole way up here. It used to be off.
Yeah, they fixed that up part for sure.
Hey, you don't have your glasses on,
No.
and you're gonna be riding back at night with no.
Yeah, they're in my backpack. Calm the f down.
Talk about whip your ass.
Fucking hey, boys, look at that shit. Fucking beautiful.
That kite's my freaking thing.
Yeah.
And he goes, there's another one with the straw lid in it. I'm like, that's
Look at that shit, boys.
Why are you?
It's one thing I love about living here is the mountain, man.
Looked like he was about ready to go into the big
Just
old
almost
ditch.
went into the ditch. That's all.
yeah.
I come into it and I can't go right because he's on my right.
I faked
So all
him.
I had to do was fucking lock it up and go into the ditch.
Happy market day, boys. Hell yeah.
And I was able to grab some
Hell
front
yeah.
brake and get it stopped before the ditch.
Nice machines, huh?
Yeah.
It's not as cool as a fucking Can-Am, but it'll do.
I was
More comfortable, that's all that matters.
Get it up here.
Fuck yeah.
Glad I did.
You gonna give me that ride? Let's do it. Professional bike holder. Thanks, Ma. Go ribbon this thing real quick. I like it, it's nice. I like it more than your old one though. Your first Razor.
Got a lot of nice stuff on it.
Yeah, it does. Thanks, Ma. I'll check my bike. Sorry about that. I appreciate it.
It's all good.
Nick's off riding, so we can't start yet, but rolled something special for the sunset and fireworks show, baby.
There's still 90 pounds in
Yeah,
faggots.
I know. It's absolutely money.
There's fucking lightning bolts going off over there. Over there. It's pretty crazy. Wanted to go that way, but we're gonna go back down lower so we have less stuff ride in the dark. All I got's a headlamp, my glasses, and my bag, so I'm just gonna leave it on the tripod till we get down there, but yeah, I'll see you guys down there. Oh yeah,
Side by side. Look like that Jeep.
it's our spot.
Put it on this side if it falls.
Got my trusty old Buckies.
I've seen this light kid on Facebook.
So sick, boys.
It was so cool, dude.
That's awesome.
Jeez, pup. Breathing hard as hell, dog.
Oh, you want more of this, Ed?
Check this out, boys. I know you can't see, but bam, dude. Took my shop headlamp, put it on there. How do you like it now? That's gonna get me home, baby.
Raining on the 4th of July. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, it's fucking raining. Just started raining pretty hard. Big old bolt of lightning right there. Pretty fucking scary.
Right over.
Nick's like, let me in that Razor. We're all
I'm
gonna
getting
die.
wet, dude. My shirt's fucking.
I know,
holes in
dude.
it.
I'm getting
Straight
soaked.
skin.
What the fuck?
That damn life's a bitch.
Hell yeah, 4th of July.
It's fucking rough.
It's goddamn raining. Put my phone in my bag so I don't get soaked. Holy shit.
All part of the adventure.
Dude, the rain's kind of over us now. I'm still scared of getting
Yeah, one of them bolts.
Yeah.
Happy 4th, guys.
Fucking zap. Yeah, man.
That's it, baby. That's it.
Thanks for coming up here with me, guys.
We probably paid $1
Pretty
million
sick.
in tax money for that.
Pretty much.
Turn on my fucking light. Hell yeah, dude. That's fucking so G. Got my glasses on, so hopefully I can see. I can fit them on when I don't have my goggles, but when I have my goggles, I can't put my glasses on, so that shit sucks. Hell yeah, boys. I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see, but dude, this is fucking awesome, boys. Mine's like a fucking strobe light. It's got an LED. There we go. Pops is behind us with the razor, helping us see. Boys, I haven't done night riding since I was a kid. This is fucking awesome. Although this is not an ideal light. But I mean, if you ever fucking needed to get home in a pinch, man, this would do it. Hell yeah, brother. That's what's up. Good hell. Thank God I freaking remember to grab my glasses. I'd be so fucked. I'm pretty light blind, so I can't see at night. It's hard for me to drive and shit. It sucks. That's perfect eyesight my whole life, and then it just like went to shit. That was pretty fun, huh? Yours is nice because it's LED. Mine's like a fucking strobe light.
I can see I could see shit, but when I would do a stand-up, right in my eyeball. Big ass bright light.
Yeah, that shit was
eyeballs.
fun going fast, not being able to see like that down that dirt road, just popping wheelies together.
Yeah, I wish my shit was on, dude.
That was tight. I got it, bro.
Well, I know. That's why I got in front of you too. So.
I figured.
Yeah, this light thing is sick, dude.
Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Fucking peasant.
You got stuffed in the corner, Dad.
Hell yeah, boys.
Try not to touch the fucking bull bites.
Happy America Day.
Happy America Day, dog.
Take this gear off and go light some fireworks, man. Freaking sick. What a ride. That was tight. I haven't been night riding in so long. That was sick. Hey, buddy. Happy 4th, bud. This guy's a G. Fireworks don't faze him. My mom's dog, though, she cowers and hides. This day is very traumatic for that little dog. Oh yeah, America, baby. Anyways, we go meet up with Nick. Me and him went and picked up some fireworks today, so we can party a little bit tonight. So let's go light those suckers off, man. The one in the video. All right, I got this lame little one called Chinese New Year. Let's see what you got. Good old Bucky's lighter. He lit. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Oh yeah, nice little crackler at the end. I fuck with that.
I fucks with that.
Did you like that, buddy?
He's in there whining, so I let him out.
Yeah, he wants to come hang out with the boys. He likes to fire.
Go off just like the other one and be fine.
What's the name of that one?
Eye of the Storm.
Eye of the
Going to
Storm.
twist.
Let's get it. Fire it up, son. Eye of the Storm. Woo. Holy shit, that was sick. Holy shit. Damn, dude, I'm getting rained on with that. What, dude? Those were a trip, man. Those were
I
cool.
thought they would.
Hell
And I
yeah.
got two best for last. I got July 4th Jubilation and I got Molotov Cocktail.
Fucking brother called out
yeah.
this morning. Yeah, I know. I was getting rained on. Been putting that out.
That was a win.
16 shot. Let's see what she got. Hell yeah. That boy busting out the big one. July 4th jubilation. 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 So fancy I can't even pronounce it. All right.
Paper on the ground. That's
Yeah. Oh, I got the last of my ground fireworks. Holy shit! That wasn't too bad.
All the smoke in the air looks like the fucking,
Iran.
yeah, fucking Hamas or something.
I can get out.
God
and get
damn.
car.
Thank God we live in America.
Yes, sir.
Nice finale, brother. Nice finale, brother.
Yeah.
Well, guys, it's late. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Join the YBC team, and see you guys in the next one. What a 4th. I hope you guys enjoyed yours 4th of July as well. America. You guys are on KCYBC. Yeah.